Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. You don't need to get your eyes checked. That candle is still changing. There's a couple more minutes before the market closes. But as far as what I want to talk about, unless some sort of drastic move happens, which would be cool to capture live on video, then what I'm going to talk about is still going to pertain, as long as the price, still closes within the realm of where it's at right now. But as far as, going forward, overall, the chart is still perfectly healthy. Now, I do realize there's a little perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of short-term day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there this morning, and your plan was to buy and sell within 5 minutes, well, then, yeah, from that point of view, the price did pull back a little bit on you. But even that's kind of stretching it, because it's not like the price totally crashed. Now, at one point, had you bought in up here, and then this morning when the price is down there, at that point things were looking a little bit shaky. But overall, the price recovered very nicely. And the kind of the moral of the story here is that the price is still sitting well within the range that I talked about in the video from Monday. And the key part of the range right here at the green line there, right around $4.80. Yeah, I suppose technically speaking, temporarily during the opening 30 minutes, the price was down below there, but that didn't last very long, and the price, quickly snapped back up above there. So overall, 480 has been confirmed as an area of support. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new or anything like that. You still have where the sellers were hanging out on Monday up at 525. So that'll be the key level going into Wednesday. But at the end of the day, and as I've said before, and let me add a little bit more context here, all these kind of resistance levels don't matter that much at all, because as long as the price continues to do what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? Well, you look at where the lows have been, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the price keeps on putting in those stair steps higher and higher, then that's the name of the game. That implies everything else, is going to take care of itself, include breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations. And like I said, so far so good. 480 held like a champ, and we'll see how this week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.